You're guiding your consciousness to create that in the water.
I don't know. What flashed into my mind, Andy, is it wasn't your mom needed to do it. It was the people that she was doing it for needed
Exactly
that.
right.
Go, oh, okay,
Exactly
yeah,
right.
okay, yeah,
Exactly right. Exactly, because they're there watching you do this, and so
yeah,
she's getting them into. Okay, you did that to the water. Now the water has this. But at the same
yeah,
token, she could say, "Okay, I'm taking this gem," and the problem was, when we should put it in the wine, they would drink the damn thing. I said, "No," even though that's really cool, but as long as you have the smaller version of it, right? You don't want anything too big, because that also gets into your body. That's even stronger. But so what I made her do is I made her put in little vials, little glass vials, put the
yeah.
gem in there, put the top on it, put that in the water. And I still do that to this day. Got little vials with different gems in there. I'll be happy to show you guys some of my combinations of gems later. But
Yeah, you'll have to do that one of these days, Andy.
yeah, so you put that in the water, and then that generates the water to have that particular liquid. And so what I realized is that we're water. I think somebody said it was 75% water, right? Something like that. So
Yeah, and then the numbers keep going up and down to 70,
so
80, 90.
so when people are wearing things, or they wear on the rings or whatever, they are consciously absorbing that energy when they
Yeah,
wear
yeah.
whatever it is they wear around them. They say, "Oh, this is right," and they're absorbing it, right? So I learned that you can actually take a variety of gems, because I've learned, again, Mother Nature doesn't do any one thing. So I take a carousel. Carousel is a carousel, right? It's a combination of different gems, and it makes this song. It's a
Yeah.
song, and that's what the song. That's when I create. I try to create that song again, because the song has the frequencies in it, and the gems are in it as well. You see, so when I go to people's properties, I actually do it. I actually have a consciousness that and when my workers work with me, somebody's spraying, he's like, la 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 la, and I go, no, you missed the whole thing. I was trying to tell some of my other friends, and I think you know who they are, but when they spray, they need to have a consciousness that I am spraying this magical elixir, and it has this wonderful. I don't need to know what the frequency is, because they don't need to know, but I do. When I spray something, I'm spraying. I deliberately tell it to the plants, to the soil, to the trees. This is for you. It's not the mixture that's in there that counts. It's the energy that counts. And people
Well,
don't
it's
get
like
that.
giving thanks for the food you're eating. It's the same
It's
idea.
the same thing. Give thanks to the food, and you're basically saying, I accept the energy that this food gives me. And you don't
Yeah,
need to know the whole complex of what the energy is. You just need to know something's coming, and you're open to it. See,
yeah.
that's a big difference. And on people's properties, they're constantly canceling out the natural Mother Nature's energy, constantly, all the time, canceling it out.
Yeah.
You have a barren environment that a bird will go, "I'm out of here, man." And it's like, right? So the bird can sing, but it doesn't get very far. A guy did a study once and he went to this forest. So he sat down, and he would tape it, a video and audio, right? And he did that once a month for years. And one of the things he came about is that slowly but surely, the less and less birds singing, less and less and less and less. They weren't harmonizing. A few birds would come here and do stuff. It wasn't the same thing as the forest going, right? And so
Yeah.
he realized that we are constantly. So now it's not only just this country; it's the whole earth that we are. And I'll give you an example.